My name is Deng Bingyong, and the topic I am going to talk about today is research and analysis on auditing. Firstly, I will introduce auditing from 4 points: definition, purpose, case analysis, and importance. The definition is an audit is a formal review of a person or company's financial records by professional accountants. The purpose of an audit is indi- indi- independently and objectively examine and run organizations' financial statements, accounting records, and internal countries. Case analysis. The auditing work of British American Tobacco Company is 2027 be carried out by Philip Smart from KPMG LLP. Important with the help of an audit, British American Tobacco Company has got an understanding of its business and management situation for the year 2023 and has identified which products should be given priority for sales in the following year. Second, I will talk about the advantage of auditing. First one, improve the transparency of data. Through auditing, companies can show product data to society, increasing the trust of investors and the government. It can also ensure the correctness and authenticity of the data. The audit report clearly displays the company assessed and product sales data of British American Tobacco in 2023. Second one, benefit for improving the management level of enterprise. The implementation of information management in internal audit work of enterprises can not only greatly improve the efficiency of audit work, but also enhance the level of enterprise information management. In the conclusion section of the report, explain the company's operation situation and provide recommendation. This is help for the management and operation of the company. The third one, assist enterprises in standardizing internal management. The implementation of information management in internal auditing of enterprises can not only strengthen internal management but also serve as a means and necessary for enterprise to standardize internal management. Covering the date of 2023 and 2022 in the report has a warning and supervisory effect on the management level of the company. The next is the disadvantage of the auditing. First one, high cost. Auditing can be expensive as it requires hiring external auditors or specialized use of internal recorders or editing for small business or organizations with limited budget. This is so expensive. The total cost audited by the auditing company is £20.8 million. The second one is long time consuming. Auditing can be time consuming as it involves the through examination of financial records and internal processes. This may divert time and attention from other important tasks, which could potentially affect work effectiveness. The audited partner of KPMG company has to rotate every 5 years, and every year they have to spend time auditing British American tobacco company. The second one is difficulties in external auditing. External auditors' unfamiliarity with the company's business processes and management styles can, to some extent, affect activity, effectiveness, and effectiveness. KPMG conducts audits in 3 financial shared serving centers: Romania, Malaysia, and Costa Rica. The levels of assurance in auditors. There are 3 levels: is auditors, reviews, and completion. And the degree of attitude is rigorous. The degree of reviews is limited, and the degree of completion is low. Well, I will introduce these 3 levels. First, the auditors. The most rigorous level of assurance is provided by an audit. It offers a reasonable level of assurance that your financial statements are free from material misstatements and conform with GAAP, and application is analytical and inquiry steps taken in a review, search, and verification procedure. The review's introduction is reviewed financial statements provide limit assurance and that the statements are free from material misstatements and conform with GAAP. And the application is reviewed statements always include footnotes, disclosure, and statements of cash flow. The last one is compilation. The introduction of the compilation is this engagement provide no assurance that financial statements are free from material misstatements and conform with generally accepted accounting principles as GAAP. And the application is footnote, disclosure, and cash flow information are optional and often omitted. Okay, the last one is legibility, legibility and regularity requirements. The eligibility is pursuing a bachelor's degree in accounting, finance, or business management at a university, and become a member of some relevant organization like CIA, ACCA, CISA, and CFE. The the regulatory requirements is regulated through laws and regulations, and different regions have different regulations. For example, the California Consumer Privacy Act and the California Private Rights Act are examples of state-level compliance law. Hence, this HIP, AA, and SOX are examples of federal status, and GDPR is an example of an international compliance requirements. The professional stand and ethical stance. The professional standard for auditing integrity, objectivity, confidentiality, professional competence, and due care, and professional behavior. The ethical standards for auditing, ongoing professional development, quality control system, ethical decision making frameworks, independent oversight, whistleblowing, public and independence, and objective. Well, this all I will introduce the auditing for you. Thanks.